and tell us a few things about your activities and about the logistics sector globally, and then we'll talk about a little bit specific in Greece.
Yeah. Schenker is one of the main players in the logistic market around the world. We are more than 90,000 people in 2,000 locations, and we have been on the market for more than 140 years. Here in Greece for this event, Posidonia, we are here to perform and to show particularly logistic solutions for not only Greek ship owners, but for the whole world, for ship owners, ship management companies. A product called DB Schenker Marine Parts, which are logistic solutions, taking care of spare parts from the vendor to delivery on deck. We have done that for many years now, and we have a brand which is well known in the industry, and we have among Greek ship owners, we have a substantial number of very good long-lasting business relationships. As a shipping industry, for sure, Greece is one of the most important nations in the world. They have the biggest fleet in the world, and we see the vessels from the Greek ship owners all over the world. So for sure, the Greek market is one of the most important markets for us, and that's also why we are here.
About the crisis, the general economic crisis and recession, how affect your business?
In 2008, everybody was hit by the crisis, and so were we. However, I must say that we have seen also, particularly in Greece, the companies, they have been able to adjust to the new situation, and right now we can see that the market is very positive again. It's growing. There are new ships coming in, and the optimism is back in the market. So this is something we, of course, is very pleased to learn also.
Thank you very much.